Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So royalty accounts today I'm going to take the last problem. It is related to the strike problem. Whenever there is any strike, output will be always less. When output is less, sometimes the landlord may reduce the minimum rent amount from the nominal amount. Suppose normal minimum rent is suppose say 1 lakh. During the strike period, the landlord may decrease the minimum rent because of strike. Production is less. So some courtesy, some discount, some kind of consideration from the landlord point of view to the person lessee. So this problem we are going to say. Simple problem, nothing to worry, only one problem. That would be enough. Now let's see the problem. The Bihar Coal Company Limited holds a lease for a period of 12 years, commencing from 1st April 2006. Okay, 2006 to 12 years they have taken a lease. The company is to pay 7 rupee 50 paisa as royalty per ton. Royalty is how much? 7 rupee 50 paisa per ton, with a minimum rent of 1,50,000. Okay, minimum rent of 1,50,000. Short workings can recover in the next 2 years. Immediately next 2 years they have to recover the short workings. For the first year of a strike, the minimum rent is to be reduced. For the year of a strike, whenever there is a strike, that period minimum rent is to be reduced by 60%. Minimum rent 60%, we can reduce it. So this clause is there. The output of 6 years is as follows. Now output 6 years, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year and sixth year. Sixth year there is a strike. Okay. So because of the strike, the output is 15,000 only. Now if you see 10, 12, 25, 20, 50 and it was gradually increasing. Now all of a sudden it got decreased because of the strike, output was less. Now how to work out this? Focus on the table. Write up the necessary ledger accounts in the books of Bihar Coal Limited. Bihar Coal Limited means lessee. What do you prepare? Royalty account, short workings account and landlord account as usual like previous problems. Now focus only on this royalty table. Okay. So here how many years are there? Total 6 years. No? So I'll write first years 6 to 7. And 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. 6 years are there. Output also let me write 10,000, 12,000, 25,000, 12 and 20,000. 50,000 and 15,000. Royalty at the rate of 7 rupees 50 paisa. Let's calculate the royalty. 10,000 into 750 comes to 75,000 here. Next 12,000 into 7 rupees 50 paisa. It is 90,000. 25,000 into 7 rupees 50 paisa. 1,87,500. And 20,000 into 7 rupees 50 paisa. 1,50,000. 50,000 into 7 rupees 50 paisa. 3,75,000. Last year there was a strike. Okay. So actually during this strike period, minimum rent whatever it may be, that will take later. Now first we'll write this as it is, 15,000 into 7 rupees 50 paisa. It comes to 1,12,500. Minimum rent, what is given to us? Minimum rent is 1,50,000. We'll write 1,50,000 for all the years except last year, because last year there is a strike. $1,50,000 all the years except last year. Last year what shall we do? They said for the year of strike, minimum rent is to be reduced to 60%. Minimum rent is how much? 1,50,000. It is to be reduced to 60%. 60% only will take. 1,50,000 into 60%. 90,000. So whenever strike is there, we'll take only 60% of the minimum rent only, not total minimum rent. So now it is 90,000. How do you got 90,000? 1,50,000 into 60%. It is 90,000. That's all. This is the point you have to remember. Rest of the problem is normal. Okay. So minimum and recoupment is next 2 years. Do one thing, pause the video, work out by yourself and check it out whatever I am going to do. So according to that, write your comment whether you got the correct answer or not. Pause the video, go ahead. Now coming to this next 2 years now. So first year we have minimum rent of this is 1,50,000, royalty is 75,000. Short workings are there. How much short working? 75,000. Pay to landlord, whichever is more, that is 1,50,000. Second year there is a short workings of 60,000. Whichever is highest, means 1,50,000 is highest. Next 2 years only. So this has to be recouped in these 2 years. Okay. Now this is the deadline for the short workings. Now how much we have? 37,500 short workings. So minimum rent is less, royalty is more. So short working of 37,500. So to recoup this 75,000, these 2 years we have. 2 years means we have only 37,500 out of 75,000. Surplus is 37,500. So let us utilize this 37,500, which is 75,000 minus 37,500. Leftover is 37,500 only. This is lapsed or not recouped. Once again, let me explain. 75,000 short workings are there. We have a surplus of 37,500. We have utilized it. After utilizing it, still there is a short workings. How much? 75,000 minus 37,500. It comes to 37,500 once again. This is lapsed, not recouped. So amount paid to the landlord, already out of this 37,500 we have recovered. So leftover is 1,50,000 only. So I am paying to the landlord 1,50,000. Next, fourth year. Fourth year there is no short working, no surplus also. So simply we are writing like this. But 60,000 has to be recovered in these 2 years only. So out of these 2 years 60,000 has to recover. But second year we have no surplus. So entire 60,000 is lapsed. No recoupment. So 60,000 is lapsed. Amount paid to landlord 1,50,000. Are you getting it? First year 75,000, we have recovered 37,500 here. Leftover is lapsed. Now this one we have to recoup by this year, but there is no surplus. So entire amount is lapsed or not recouped. Pay to landlord 1,50,000. Now fourth year. Fourth year there is a lots of surplus. How much it is? The 3,75,000 minus 1,50,000. It is 2,25,000 is the surplus. 2,25,000 is the surplus. So entire surplus is here. What we can do? Can just simply keep it over there and whichever is highest, that will be paid to the landlord, 3,75,000. Last year minimum rent is this much, and royalty is more. Whichever is highest, that will pay to the landlord. Here no short workings or nothing. So simply you can just show it surplus, 1,12,500 minus 90,000, 22,500. You can just mention it, but anyway we'll pay to the landlord whichever is highest, 1,12,500. What you have done? Is it matching with your answer? Let me know in the comment box. Anyway, take the screenshot or note down. Hope ledger accounts you can prepare by yourself, right? So with this, royalty accounts has completed. There are many more tough subjects if you are tough topics like in royalty accounts also. If you are doing CA or any other course, you need to go in depth. But basic information, at least 70% I have covered. Rest, you got the knowledge. Refer more textbooks according to your syllabus. Go in depth, right? But practice well. Don't forget to share these videos to all the students. Stay connected, check out the playlist also. Study well and have a bright career. Next class, I'll come up with another interesting subject because royalty is over, right? So see you. Good luck.